So you're in the Amazon Influencer Program and you're making money. That's great. But there's a chance that you're one of the many people that are missing out on an opportunity to make even more. So in this video, we're going to go over my monthly numbers as usual, and then we're going to talk about something that you really need to know about valuing yourself within this program to make even more money. So let's jump into it. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything with saving and making money. And this is another monthly Amazon Influencer Program video. I know that I missed last month, so in this one we're going to be going over the past 2 months numbers, and then something that I think is really important when it comes to valuing yourself to make an extra income stream within this program. I'm sorry that I missed last month's update. Everything's getting really hectic with the baby on the way, so I've just been super busy, but we're back. But before we jump in, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and you're really going to want to turn on that notification bell, because the next video that I do is going to be about a different side hustle that I've been trying out lately that I think is almost as good, if not as good, as the Amazon Influencer Program.
What did he just say?
And as always, if you're new to the Amazon Influencer Program or thinking about getting in, there's a free beginner guide in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Now let's jump into the numbers for March and April. So looking at the numbers, I'm not going to separate it out month by month. We're just going to go ahead and combine them. And for the months of March and April, I added a whopping 2 videos. As you've learned in the past 6 to 12 months, I've been kind of sucking at this program.
Well, you do set the bar high.
So adding my 2 videos, it brings me up to 155 total for the program. And in the past 2 months, that generated just under 2,400 clicks on my videos. So that's people that not only saw my thumbnail in a carousel, but they went ahead and clicked and watched my video. From those roughly 2,400 clicks, it generated just over $15,000 in revenue. Now, revenue is just the amount that the companies make before expenses and stuff like that. It's not how much I make. That is the commission, which we're going into next. And from that revenue, from the on-site commission, I made just over $330. So it's not great compared to what I've made in the past in the program, but it's not terrible either. And that is just from the on-site portion. Now, when we talk about the affiliate portion, that is what I'm bringing in from off of Amazon to Amazon. So if somebody clicks a link on YouTube and goes and purchases a product, that's the affiliate side, and that has actually steadily been increasing for me. So that's a really positive aspect of this. But in the past 2 months, we're up to $121 in the affiliate side. So you combine that with what we made on site, it's not as bad. So just between the on site and the affiliate side for this year total, we've made just a little over $650 in the program. That's not including other things that we're going to get into, but still, from something I've put almost no effort into this year, an extra $650 in the pocket, it's not bad. And then we get to one of my favorite aspects of this program, and that is the partnerships. So when brands want to send you things to do videos of their products. And so from the partnerships over March and April, I got paid an extra $72, and I got 2 more free items. And with those items, it could be stuff that you need or you don't. You can turn around and sell it or do whatever you need to do with it. That is why I love the partnership aspect of this, is because it gives you plenty of options. So that was my numbers for the past couple months, but now let's jump into this month's tips and tricks and stuff like that. And for this video, I want to talk about knowing your value and selling your value to create an extra stream of income within this program. It's something that you heard me talk about before, but there are steadily new people watching these videos, and it's something that I keep seeing in Facebook groups. So obviously there are people getting in and they don't know how to sell their value, and so hopefully they'll watch this and be able to do that going forward. The most recent time of what's making me add this in my video is a girl posted in a group saying that a brand was wanting to send her a product, and in exchange they wanted her to create the video and send them the file and have the rights to use it. No, this should never be done for free or anywhere near free. When they ask for that, they are asking for essentially a free commercial that they can use and manipulate however they want forever. So that's pretty expensive. Me, I don't do it for less than $500. I don't care if anybody ever says yes to it. they're not getting the rights to any of my videos unless they pay me at least $500. Forget about that. This girl was asking if, that was something that we charged for, was for the rights. And I said, not only do you charge for rights, but you charge to do a video, period. These videos help increase their sales and make them more money. That's valuable. Whether it's $10, $20, $50, $100 just to do the video and post it online, you should be asking for money. Now, if it's an expensive product that you really wanted already and you were going to be buying it anyways and you don't want to scare them off, whatever, then yeah, accept the product and do it for free. Don't give them usage rights, but you can still do the video for free in exchange for that nice product. But for most things, you should be charging to do a video. Now, this is why I go back and always talk about doing high quality. You have no leverage if all you do is 15-second clips that are crap. If you're making high quality videos, that gives you leverage to say, hey, I put a lot of effort into my videos to really help you increase sales. So that's not free. With me personally, if somebody wants me to do a video, the majority of time I am between $25 and $50 per video. I have charged as much as $100 just to do video with no usage rights to them if it's something that's going to take me more effort to put together and demo and everything else. So you'll just have to judge with how much work the video is going to take. And you may think, well, these brands will just find somebody else to do it for free. Some of them will, but that's not the ones that you want to be working with anyways. But a lot of them, and you would be surprised, have a budget to pay people. Now, if they can reach out to you and get you to do it for free, they're going to do that. They're not going to just tell you, hey, yeah, we'll pay you a decent amount of money for these videos. But if you ask, a lot of times there's money there. And a lot of times it's more than even what they're offering on the front. So if you're making high quality videos, I've had people reach out and say, we're offering $20 commissions to do these videos. And I'm like, no, this takes too much work, whatever. It's going to be at least $50. And they're like, well, we're not sure, whatever. And then they'll come back a day later and say, yeah, we can do it. Because they see that I put effort into all of my videos, so it gives me leverage. So you could be making money from these brands in addition to them sending you the products. And the proof is when I talked about partnerships over this past review, I made $72 in payment plus another 2 free items. So basically, on top of what I had already made in the program in the past month or two, between the on-site and the off-site, I added an extra 16% increase in my income just from videos that I was already doing from the brands paying me. So please do not miss out on an opportunity to make more money on videos that you're already going to be doing. Know your value, and in addition to that, you need to be a lot higher for if we're talking about usage rights. Like, don't just give them the rights to your video. Don't send them the original file. Post the video, send them a link and tell them that this is for viewing only. Don't give it to them unless they pay a good chunk for it. Because if you give them those usage rights and they use that as their commercial on Amazon, then you can't use your video and you make no money on it. So that's just something that I feel is really important. If you found any value out of that, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, especially for this next video that's coming out, because you're going to really want to know about this other side hustle that I've been trying. And as far as the Amazon Influencer Program goes, don't forget there's a free beginner guide in the description below. So check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you next time.